Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can create Canva Pro account for free. As you know, many people are using Canva for different types of designing such as logo designing, YouTube thumbnail designing, animated videos. So in this video I am going to tell you two methods how you can create Canva Pro account for free. And you don't have to worry because this Canva Pro account is for lifetime free. So let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Canva and go to Canva website. Now you have to sign up your account on Canva. Click on sign up. Now continue with email and type your email you want your account to sign up on. Now click continue. You will get an OTP code on your email. Check your code and type your code here. Your account will be signed up and you will see this Canva interface. Now click on Try Canva Pro and click on Start My Free Trial, and you can get any subscription yearly or monthly as your choice. Now it will ask you your credit card details. Now for the credit card details, go to this website mindgaptech.com. You will see this article here, what is Canva and how to get Canva premium account for free. Now scroll down to the bottom. You will see this method to get Canva premium account for free. You will see these credit card details here. You can use these credit card details on Canva. You can type here credit card number, expiry date and CVC. If you are having any issues with these credit card details, you can use method 1. Click on this button, click me. You will redirect to the Canva website and you will get free Canva Pro account for lifetime. Now you can see you have joined Canva Pro's team and you have access to all pro features of the Canva. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please help me grow my channel by subscribing the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.